Welcome to my channel Brain Boosters. Please like, share and subscribe. Iconic Deepika Padukone's Hairstyles Collection 2024. Also Deepika Padukone, an example of elegance and grace in the world of modern Indian cinema or Bollywood, has left a permanent mark with her performances and style in her latest movies. So here we are to show you Deepika Padukone hairstyles. Surprisingly, she effortlessly contains sophistication and trends from the silver screen to the fashion scene, where her style truly shines, captivating hearts and turning heads along the way. Now welcome to this captivating world of Deepika Padukone hairstyles, where we explore the magic she weaves with her locks on the silver screen. From the iconic hairstyle in Chennai Express to the timeless bun in Cocktail, Deepika Padukone's hairstyles have become synonymous with elegance and trend-setting fashion. Deepika Padukone hairstyle, all-time trending. Number 1. Deepika Padukone's Paton movie hairstyle, short and hot. Many actresses are turning towards shorter hair as it makes them look casual yet smart. And this new Deepika Padukone hairstyle is of the same choice. Moreover, with Deepika's personality, everything is a big yes, isn't it? Nowadays this hairstyle is trending, as it was Deepika Padukone's hairstyle in the Paton movie. Number 2. Knotted ponytail. Ponytail is the best friend of girls in all weathers, as it puts so much energy into their character. Besides, the best part about this whimsical hairstyle is that it can be nailed in low and high ways. Notably, Deepika Padukone pony hairstyle has been a treat to the eyes. Number 3. Classic Deepika Padukone hairstyle bun. Nothing can go wrong with classic buns, but if we're talking about Deepika Padukone, phew. Make way for the Queen's continuous experimental buns over time. Number 4. Braids. Braids have been in our tradition for a long time now, and our Shani Priya has her roots in South India. Also, that's more a reason why she slays unique yet traditional braids. Eventually, this was Deepika Padukone's Chennai Express hairstyle. Number 5. Half hair up. This hairstyle has been rescued in many of her films and events, like Deepika Padukone's puff hairstyle in Cocktail. In fact, it suits her the best, and we're sure it'll suit you pretty gals as well. Number 6. Curl it all the way. Deepika Padukone has one of the most beautiful hair, and what a treat it is for hairstylists to bring out her pretty curls for events. What do you think about Deepika Padukone's open hairstyle? Number 7. Sleek and chic. Sleek hair is the epitome of class, and Deepika Padukone seems to understand the assignment just too well. Look at how effortlessly she has pulled it off every time. Number 8. The Met Gala Series. Deepika Padukone Met Gala Hairstyle Series presents some of the most iconic hairstyles. Also, some are hardcore retro, while some reflect contemporary essence. What's your take on this? Deepika Padukone can hairstyle. Here comes an end to the ethereal collection of Deepika Padukone hairstyles. Indeed, we bet it made you fall in love with her choices. So, for more on the latest Deepika Padukone styles, wait for our upcoming vlogs. Thanks for watching.